Airsoft in 3, 2, 1, begin! Alright, today we have a attack and defend. They're defending the gold right here. Cameraman coming through. Gold of ammo. We got defender, Justin, and attacker, Taco Ninja 121. Taco! He's jerking off over there.
4 minutes, 45!
Let's go to Taco and see how his thoughts are about getting fucked by that shotgun right now. How are your thoughts, Taco?
4 minutes, 30!
Shoot at the cameraman and you get shot. Get down first.
Come on, Taco Ninja, armor crawl.
How long's the game setting to? Hey, dude, how long the game setting to?
4 minutes!
Okay.
You can't do a Kimbo! Give me that!
We're going over to Justin. Let's sneak behind here. A little combat airsoft war area. And guys, look at combat airsoft war. I mean, combative airsoft. They're a good team. Also look at Scout the Dougie. Sorry, got that wrong. He does really good airsoft videos too. He's in the UK, just to tell. We're in the US here.
Taco Ninja!
Coming to see how Justin's doing over here.
Hey! You! No flanking.
No, he can go, but he can't go by the fence. How are your thoughts right here? Yes, you can use shields. I'm gonna scoot out a little bit here. Cameraman has a riot shield. This is Taco Ninja's riot shield that I'm using here. Pretty nice. Has some bullet scratches, so it looks more realistic. Well, actually, that happened when we were doing an airsoft war, so mostly realistic. See how Taco Ninja's doing. Taco Ninja's out of ammo here. How do you think about that ammo? Do you need some ammo?
I already have it in the pocket.
Alright. I'm covering Taco Ninja.
I'm loading like 4 bullets.
Hey, dude. You have to run for that gold.
Let's go.
He has to run for the gold.
Give me a shield.
No, dude, I need
Just
it
give me
most.
a
I'm getting in there.
Give it.
Why?
Just give it.
Why do you need it? There's no point. Dude, give me it.
Run the goal! My God.
Crap.
2 minutes! 3 more!
Taking this.
1 minute, 50 seconds!
I'm cameraman. I have to go behind scenes. Trying to take my shield. Can you see him?
Minute 40!
Make sure if you want to buy airsoft guns, check out Airsplat. They have quality guns. A little expensive though. If you want somewhat of quality guns, make sure. I'm not trusting Air Rattle too much, but make sure they have warranties. I've heard bad comments, but check out Air Rattle. They're more cheaper. And why'd you throw my gun?
I do.
You got 3 minutes. Ooh, bunny!
Minute 10!
Minute 10. Better go for the gold. I'm gonna go to the defender here. That's the gold. They have to run, grab it, and put it on that table. He's going for gold, going for gold. He's hit. You have 1 life left. Can't kill him for 5 seconds. All right, begin. This is very nice, right? Shell that Taco Ninja made. I like the bullet marks. The clip's on the ground, dude. Tighten that up.
Dude, grab the clip!
It's pretty nice. I like it.
30 seconds! 30 seconds!
30 seconds. About to go for gold. Go for gold. Oh, no. He pushed out.
20 seconds! I advise you go now.
Yeah, you got 20 seconds. I wouldn't want to lose.
15, 14.
I'm gonna scoot back a little bit.
7.
Shoot, Justin. Shoot! Hurry! Go for it!